Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration on this 2016 Kia Sorento with the Freedom conversion out of the rear. I'll point out any items as I walk around the car. There's a little scrape here on the bottom edge of the bumper. It's got good tires on it. It's in that beautiful red color here. Overall, the vehicle is in really nice shape for a used car. So the way this works is this is a manual door and ramp. So we're just going to open up the trunk here, and then you have the ramp system that's installed by Freedom, and that also includes the lowered floor. So you just pull on the handle here, and then the ramp comes down. It's all aluminum, so it's fairly lightweight, and then there's a spring assist to be able to help get that ramp in and out easily. You've got the spare tire here, and then the wheelchair position is kind of right where the edge of this tire is. So this is a one wheelchair seating conversion. They actually modified and took out the seats here, and then these are new seats they installed, and they color matched the leather. That way it matches the rest of the interior. And then you've got your radio system with auxiliary ports, steering wheel controls. Just a nice car overall. Check out the dimensions on our website. Otherwise, it's a very easy to use manual ramp conversion on the EX model Kia Sorento. Let us know if you have any questions. Hopefully this works for you. Just want to give a shout out to my boy Levi, sister Leia. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.